Hello team, in this video we'll be going over the updates to HMP labels from 1.9.0 all the way to 1.9.3. In these updates we had three different features come up. The first one is a label count per meal product. Second one is a new delivery date field on all the CSV prints. And the third one is a new expiry date calculation setting. So if we go to the labels, we're going to see that we're on version 1.9.3, so you will have all of the features on this version. First, I'll start going to a product, and if you scroll down to the product data, you will see a new field called label count per meal. This meal is set up to 2 labels. What this means is whenever we print the labels, you're going to get 2 labels per meal purchased whenever we print beef and broccoli. So let's test that. So we see one here. It's quantity of 1, and I'm just going to print selected CSV. Alright, and here we're going to see we have 2 of the exact same label being printed. Now, whenever you don't set it, this is going to default to 1. You're also not able to add a 0 to it. Whenever you save, it's going to update it to 1 on its own. So you can only print positive numbers for obvious reasons. Okay, so the next setting is the new delivery date field. So to activate this, you'll go to the selected columns inside of labels, and you're going to print delivery date. Now that should come up on the last labels that we printed. So here you have a delivery date of August 22nd. The third feature that we have on this release is expiry date calculation setting. So before we only had expiration date, and this would calculate 5 dates from the moment you print, meaning if you printed on August 30th, you're going to get September 4th as your expiration date. By default, this setting will remain on the print date, but you now also have the ability to move the calculation to be on the delivery date. And what this is going to cause to happen is it's going to take the delivery date, no matter which one it is, even if you have 2 different ones, and it's going to run the calculation of 5 dates from that delivery date. So we're going to see the printout, and here we can see that there were some items that were going to be delivered on the 6th. Those items got an expiration date on the 11th. And we saw an item that was going to be delivered on 30th today that has an expiration date of the 4th. So those are the 3 items that we've added in the last updates. So you'll see, you'll have a written article to go through all the changes.